Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Chamberlain garage door remote suddenly stops responding and the garage door refuses to open or close the way it normally should, it can feel frustrating, especially when you are trying to leave quickly or get inside. Sometimes the remote works only from very close distance, while other times pressing the button seems to do absolutely nothing. A problem like this can happen because of battery issues, signal interruptions, syncing problems, or small setup changes that are easy to overlook. Before thinking the remote completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many garage door remote issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Chamberlain garage door remote not working or responding. Try these. Step 1. Safely open the battery compartment of the Chamberlain garage door remote and replace the batteries if response feels weak. Step 2. Stand closer to the garage while using the Chamberlain garage door remote to check if signal range changed. Step 3. Press the buttons on the Chamberlain garage door remote a few times to see whether only certain controls stopped responding. Step 4. Reconnect or sync the Chamberlain garage door remote again if the opener no longer recognizes it properly. Step 5. Check the opener connected to the Chamberlain garage door remote and confirm it still powers on normally. Step 6. Test opening and closing using the Chamberlain garage door remote and confirm normal response returns again.